We have statement, all students completed their homework and the teacher is present. Let me put that our P will be first part, all the students completed their homework, and Q will be the teacher is present, our Q. Because we have word and, it means we have conjunction statement here, P and Q, and we have to find negation of conjunction. This is equivalent from De Morgan's law to not P or not Q. So I just use De Morgan law. So we have not P. Negation of for O is negation, let me write this, for O is some. So we will have some student of the students completed, so negation will be did not complete their homework and now we have to put symbol for disjunction, so we have or, and negation we have to write for the second statement, the teacher is not present. So we can write absent. In other words, so this is my solution. It means for not present, we can always write absent. The teacher is absent. This is my solution.